Welcome to Control Tech. This video series is to help our customers in solving common dehumidifier issues. We will suggest you different steps to resolve this issue. So, let's solve it together. A loud dehumidifier noise can disturb your comfort, especially in night. Let's understand how we can get rid of this issue. Loud noise can be due to vibration. Please make sure your dehumidifier is placed on a level surface. An uneven or unstable surface can cause vibrations and increase noise levels. You can adjust the position of the dehumidifier or use leveling feet, if available, to stabilize the unit. Excessive noise can result from malfunctioning fans or motors. Carefully inspect these components for any signs of damage, misalignment, or debris causing the noise. Check for if any fittings of these components are loose. Clean the fan blades and motor area using a soft brush or cloth to remove any dirt or obstructions. Check for if any fittings of these components are loose. If the noise continues and none of the previous troubleshooting steps resolve the issue, you should contact the manufacturer's customer support or a qualified technician. They have the expertise to diagnose and address complex problems that may require specialized knowledge or replacement of internal components. For more such informative videos on dehumidifiers, please subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, please do email us. We, Control Tech Dehumidifiers, will be happy to answer it as much as possible. Get in touch with us to learn more about our products and services. Thanks for watching this video.